Good morning to all the present ones. My name is Utkarsh Sharma and I study in class 9. So today I am presenting a speech on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi has been given the title of the father of the nation as he took up the path of non-violence to achieve his goals. Before learning about Gandhi Jayanti, it is important to learn about the man himself. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He took birth in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. The legacy which Gandhiji has left behind still impacts the people living in modern times. His stern and hard work to achieve Swaraj are truly commendable. Not only that, but Gandhiji also worked to get rid of other social evils to make India an inclusive country. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability, which was very prevalent back then. Moreover, he also empowered women and worked to enhance the economic condition of Indian farmers in addition to much more. Not only that, he played a pivotal role in three major movements. They were the non-cooperation movement, the Dandi March and the Quit India movement. In other words, he is one of the most important figures to help India get freedom from British rule. Nothing trampled Gandhiji's spirit even though he was imprisoned and discriminated against badly by the Britishers. Even though his body was frail, his ambitions were strong. He surprised everyone with his undying determination by walking 440 kilometers on foot to defy the salt tax. These are just some of the contributions of the man to Indian history. The whole country of India joyfully celebrates Gandhi Jayanti. The government has declared it a gazette holiday and all schools, colleges, offices, banks, etc. remain closed. The cremation place of Mahatma Gandhi, Rajghat, is decorated with garlands and flowers on this day. People from all over the world pay homage to this great leader on Gandhi Jayanti. Ahead of his birth anniversary, many schools organize various events that revolve around his great life. Students participate in various competitions like essay writing, slogan writing, poster making, and many more. All these are based on the great work of Mahatma Gandhi. Moreover, they also educate them about the teachings of the great leader. It is an important day for every Indian as Gandhi Jayanti gave us one of the greatest human beings to ever walk this earth. It would be fair to say that Gandhiji was indeed the greatest person to support democracy. He did not let anything deter his fight for independence and eradication of social issues. His principles of truth and non-violence and not just limited to India. In fact, the whole world follow him and his teachings. Although he was assassinated, it only killed his body because his ideas lives in the heart of the people. So I end up with a line, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.